Children have access to technology earlier and earlier. This issue generates an eternal debate, provoking a lot of criticism due to the high danger that the use of cellulars and tablets may represent in minors. On the other hand, everything in its correct measure can give very positive results. Tangram. Inspired by the ancient Chinese game, this application will make children intuitively learn geometry and spaces. The game consists of creating figures using the 7 pieces of Tangram. Lightbot Code Hour. This minimalist-looking application will allow your children to learn to program intuitively. They will have to solve puzzles of increasing difficulty. A game that also helps develop your sense of direction. Lolas Alphabet Train teaches children to distinguish and read letters in a fun and enjoyable way. It has 5 different games and is available in 10 languages. It is simple and easy to use. The Lola Panda Train is a transport to the alphabet and the reading of the most basic words. In short, they will learn by playing. Montessori Geometry is an educational mobile application aimed at those who have to improve in geometry. With this tool, children from 4 to 8 years old can play and learn geometric shapes from an iOS mobile device screen. Children's Day Map. It is an application for the learning of the English language to the little ones. It is a very basic platform that you can download for free in the markets. In it, the little ones can learn how to say the main daily routines in English. They will learn the days of the week, the months, the seasons, clothes, concepts of time, among other terms. A very useful application as an introduction or review of foreign language subjects. Very simple, useful, and intuitive to use for both parents, teachers, and children.